Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to hand over your entire day to artificial intelligence? Not just your work, not just reminders? I am talking about the full experience from the moment I open my eyes to the time I finally call it a day. Well, I did exactly that. Now, in today's video, I'm going to take you inside the experiment of automating my entire life with AI. This is not about science fiction or some ideal future. These tools exist right now, and you can use them today. What you are about to see is part productivity hack, part personal transformation, and part chaos with a surprisingly satisfying twist. Let us dive in. The day begins not with an alarm clock, but with Sleep Cycle, an AI-powered app that analyzes my sleep patterns and gently wakes me at the perfect moment within my lightest sleep phase. My smart lights synced with Home Assistant AI fade on gradually to avoid that morning shock. Before I even leave the bed, Replika AI gives me a personalized motivational message based on my current goals and mood patterns. It feels oddly human. Some may find it strange, but having an intelligent digital companion say, "You are ahead of schedule today," sets a tone that is hard to beat. Next, I launch Motion and Reclaim AI. These tools auto-prioritize and schedule every task I had dumped into Notion the night before. My calendar is now a living entity. It adapts to me, not the other way around. Meanwhile, ChatGPT with custom GPTs helps write my daily affirmations, emails, and even a brief blog post. While all of this is synced with Zapier, which pushes tasks across platforms without me lifting a finger. During deep work hours, I let Krisp AI eliminate background noise on calls. Fireflies AI take meeting notes and compose AI autocomplete emails with contextual precision. I do not write from scratch anymore. I guide, I edit, I prompt, my research. Done using Perplexity AI, which summarizes academic papers, competitor trends, and financial reports in seconds. And yes, Otter AI joins every call to generate shareable transcripts and action steps. The result? No wasted time. No mental switching. No forgotten insights. Lunchtime, I open Eat This Much, an AI diet planner. It creates a healthy meal plan based on my preferences, macros, and time available. I get a smart grocery list and step-by-step recipes. No more decision fatigue. Post-lunch, Fitbod AI tailors a 20-minute home workout, adjusting automatically based on soreness, equipment, and past progress. It is like having a personal trainer without paying hundreds of dollars a month. This is where it gets exciting. I use Vidyo AI and Pictory to create short-form videos from long-form scripts. The titles, descriptions, and hashtags. Generated using KeywordTool AI and TubeBuddy. The entire content pipeline, from ideation to publication, is AI-assisted. I only step in for final edits, emotional tone, and scheduling. It feels like I have a full creative team on standby. By this time, I feel more focused, but surprisingly not drained. Endel AI generates personalized soundscapes based on my stress levels and energy, helping me wind down without mindless scrolling. I open Reflect AI, a journaling tool that analyzes my writing for emotional tone and patterns over time. It gives me genuine insight into how I am evolving, not just professionally, but mentally. And before I sleep, ChatGPT helps me review the day, optimize tomorrow's schedule, and even draft a gratitude list. So what happened? I gained back nearly 3 hours of my day. My stress was lower. My work felt more intentional. And best of all, I felt more present because I was not just saving time, it was saving mental bandwidth. Will I do it every day? Probably not. I am still human, and some things need heart, not just data. But I now understand the power of using AI, not as a novelty, but as a real functional assistant in daily life. If you are someone who wants to optimize your time, reduce decision fatigue, and get more done without burning out, then start experimenting with these tools. You do not need to automate everything, just enough to reclaim your most valuable currency: attention. If you found this video insightful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use an AI-powered reboot. This is Byte to Bank, turning your digital time into financial freedom. We'll see you in the next one.